Good morning, students. So, here I am with your next spoken English topic. This is a common video for 6th, 7th, and 8th class. So, today we are going to discuss about what can we do in our idle time at home, free time. हम कैसे recreation कर सकते हैं अपने आप का, how we can recreate ourselves by using this free time at our home and what all activities we can do. Practice your hobbies. We can use our free time by practicing our hobbies. Like anybody can have hobbies like writing short stories, poems, or painting, drawing, coloring something, or many kinds of hobbies people have, like playing some musical instruments or practicing something else. So, this is the best time to do this, as your free time will be utilized at its best, and you will learn up something which is very much interesting for you by reading newspapers and good books. Newspapers are a big source of knowledge which we can impart in our minds daily, and we never get bored of reading newspaper as it is new every day. So by reading newspaper we can use our free time very well. Even we are getting knowledge about our localities, even national and international news. And we can read good books, any story books you wish to read or you wanted to read from a long time but you were not getting any time to read. So this is the best time so that you can utilize this time doing your favorite things, reading your favorite books, and you can even increase your knowledge by using reading newspapers every day. And reading newspapers also improves your vocabulary and your language knowledge. Learn something new you wish to. Interest. In one of our videos of spoken English, we have discussed about hobbies and interest, right? So, आपको जो कुछ करने का interest है और you wish to do that, this is the right time you can try to do that, and you can utilize this time using it to do something interesting that you want to do and you wish to do. As like कई लोगों की विश होती है कि वो कुछ न्यू सीखे, लाइक ग्लास पेंटिंग, फैब्रिक पेंटिंग और थ्रेडिंग एंड एनीथिंग, एम्ब्रॉयडरी. ऐसे बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ है जो लोग सीखना चाहते हैं बट उन्हें टाइम नहीं मिलता था आप लोगों को, क्योंकि सारा दिन बिजी होता है. बट दिस टाइम यू आर फ्री एंड you get much time to do, so you can learn something you wish which is of your interest. Help others at home as much as you can. घर पर जितना हो सके आप सभी की हेल्प कीजिए, and in any manner you can help, you must help others as they will also feel good and your time will be used very nicely. By helping others they also get happy. Improve yourself by developing your language and body by exercising and yoga. So these are 2 points. Improve yourself by developing your language. Like some people are very much hesitant to talk in front of any new person, or they are very shy to talk to everybody, or they feel very shy to talk in English because their English is not